Got our first recovery with the cracked heavy wrecker, which I haven't really even shown you guys yet. This thing is bananas. Got our first recovery with the tracked heavy wrecker, which I haven't really even shown you guys yet. This thing is bananas.
You ever recovered a Chang Li before?
This will be the first Chang Li. I'm honored.
We tipped it over by hand to get it off the stump, but this is way cooler.
Way cooler.
That thing's awesome. That'll do good. Practice like pushing the cable. I'll drive right out of there. Nice! Woo!
First recovery, total success. This truck's so sick.
Dude, it looks awesome.
It's rad.
It sounds good, looks good.
Just vintage.
Yep. Well, watch out for stumps next time.
Officially hit that part of the day where I gotta stop, collaborate, and listen. Heavy D is back with a brand new edition, the Cauldron Night, hot tub night. We're gonna set her up, so we gotta go find a good location for that. It's quite a bit of setup to get it done, so we gotta get that going. And it's tempting to just come out here and just play with the boys and goof around, but we got work to do. So I got the old wrecker out, brought it over so I can get the vehicles recovered, and then also use this to jumpstart some dead vehicles. Also, I'm kind of throwing a Hail Mary right here by thinking this truck will make it up this really steep hill with these not very aggressive mat tracks, and it's actually performing way better than I expected. Mat tracks are not made for powder. All right guys, while I've got your attention real quick, we need to talk about something. It's a new year, fresh start. It's an opportunity for people to reevaluate their fitness, reevaluate their finances, and I know that a lot of us have debt. So if you are making monthly payments on debt, but you don't see your debt going down, the sponsor of today's video is somebody you should hear about. PDS Debt is a company that can put together a personalized debt assessment of all your debt to figure out what's going on. Basically, anybody with $10,000 or more in credit card debt, medical bills, whatever it is, PDS Debt can absolutely help you out. And the best part is, their specialty and what they do very best is they strive to get to know everybody's individual personal situation, because not every situation is the same. PDS Debt can get in there and figure out exactly what's going on with your debt, why you can't get out of it, and why you continue to waste so much money every single month trying to pay it down and not seeing any results. Make this the year you take control of your debt. Get a free debt analysis right now. Click the link in my description below or go to pdsdebt.com/sparks. Now, back to recoveries.
It's kind of like a motorcycle.
Yeah.
Dude,
But-
how's this thing rolling so far?
Honestly, pretty good. I mean, I made it this far up this hill. Like, we didn't really even test it at all before we brought it here, so this is its proving grounds. So now I'm gonna see what it does going downhill through some deeper, untracked powder. Well, let me see. I'm probably gonna need the jump pack. There we go.
got a lot of acres out here and we really hang out next to the helicopters. I think it's because they look good on video. Even though I'm large, I'm just in the way. Like, I'm definitely not getting out of the way, but at least you can see me. It's doing pretty good. I think if I air down the tires, that'll help.
He's gonna be right on top. He's gonna run me over with it. I told him to.
How safe is that?
Very.
I think you want to lift. If you pull this thing out of here, it's probably gonna break. You went right over a gigantic log. In other news, I'm gonna hit that jump. Kind of overcompensated and almost smacked the limo. Yeah, that was cool. Yeah.
We need some stunts. Where are the stunts at?
Fucking insane, dude.
That was awesome.
Thanks. It was fun.
I love how, like, no one talked you into it besides yourself.
I speed checked you. I used the Hayabusa snowbike. Like, okay, if I just match his speed, I'll be safe. Dude.
Nothing better on a blustery day than some homemade tomato soup and grilled ham and cheese, a little Caesar salad. Sure, pretty good.
So is this my seat right here? This is where?
Yeah.
You just sit right here? Look right into the camera? That red, oh, it's been a minute, you know, got it. You gonna ask me questions?
Redbeard, people are wondering, where have you been?
Okay, well, let's see, let's start from the top. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Redbeard from the Discovery Channel. And for those of you that do, you know, I'll give you a little update on where I've been. It's been a few years, but, you know, baby bird had to fly, you know, had to spread my wings. I won't get into details, but I'm back, all right? I'm glad to be back here in this chair talking to you, all right? It's been good. Currently, got my hands in a few projects, but one of the ones I'm excited about, I'm opening a cold plunge and sauna business, a local one in Park City. So if you're gonna be around there, you wanna get your dip on, go get a sweat on, come on down.
You're gonna want to tell the people what it's called.
What it's called, oh. See, that's
That'll
why
be key to your
you're the
success.
marketing genius. It's called Avanto. And let's see what else I got going on. Kind of been, you know, messing around in crypto.
No one cares, man. You're
That's
good.
been a roller coaster. If you need advice,
No, you're good.
dude, because I can give some pretty good.
I am about to do my 15th recovery for the day. This whole place looks like that. Just machines stuck everywhere. And the fat truck is supposedly stuck somewhere down here. But the nice thing is we're getting a blizzard right now, which nobody really saw coming. So that'll definitely help. Get a little fresh snow on the ground. So I'm gonna go figure out where the fat truck's at, give it a pull. The Snowcat obviously is the ultimate recovery vehicle. It can recover literally anything that gets stuck. Then we're waiting for Decent Dave and the rest of the shop guys to get up here with the cauldron build. We still haven't come up with a good name for it. We call it the Mud Puppy because that's what the previous owners called that big swamp track vehicle. Still trying to figure out a good name for it. So there's the fat truck. It's like you're driving it. You're gonna have to film and drive. All right, well, while everybody's inside warming up, eating lunch, kind of waiting to see what the storm does, we'll just cruise around and pull out all the stuck vehicles. It's chaos out here. Like all of a sudden, you'll see nobody, And then next thing you know, there's 50 machines down here in the main area, just doing circles around each other. You gotta keep your head on a swivel because they're all over the place. Next up, ATV. Oh, we got it.
All right, setting up the race. The old TRX first Gladiator. Putting the start line. Now I'll go to the finish line.
Change the computers there. You just woke up. Good morning, everybody. My name is Jared Taylor. Go by JT from Black Rifle Coffee Company. So I have learned coffee from Evan, but I've also learned coffee from Edwin Parnell, our chief of coffee.
Are they gonna show us how to make coffee?
No, I'm going to do it for you this morning. So we're going to tell you how to do it. This is called a pour over right here. They call it a chemé.
A chemé?
A chemé. So these are our filters here. You can use paper towel or aluminum foil.
Aluminum foil?
Maybe.
Okay.
Oh, you know, this
Whatever.
is available on blackriflecoffee.com. And if you use the code REDBEARD, it'll actually kick you off our site. So I see you're holding Murdered Out. And most diner coffee is over roasted and burnt. Murdered Out is to simulate that. It's over roasted and somewhat burnt.
Oh, let's do a little Murdered Out and Kodiak Attack. Do you need help there, buddy?
We're gonna go ahead and
you want to cut so we can like open.
Yeah, we're gonna use camera tricks.
There.
All right, Redbeard, we are going to need water now.
Water.
So, you got a kettle?
This? Will that work? You just need.
You know what?
hot.
That's perfect. You want it to be hot.
Like how hot?
Hot.
have
You
your
look
system-
like somebody that would live in the Amazon.
I have lived in the Amazon, yeah. And it's always good to have your veins full of caffeine in case you run into a jaguar.
You're gonna need to run. Yeah, you want the silver to not touch the. Whoa, that was a little.
See, I didn't go to school. That is not as easy as it looks. There we go.
Look at this color down here. All right, it's up to you. You
like-
want to kind of just swirl it around, get the air in there.
Yeah, see the legs on that?
But it's good.
Ooh, that'll perk you right up. Strong.
You're ready to wait.
That's strong.
That's a lot better than the other one. Snow and wind. Just back up to about your guy's bumper and then I'll floor it.
One stuck after stuck after stuck. But I'll take the fresh snow. Not mad about that.
I got the hot tub, I got the sauna, I got an ice bath, depends if you're hot, cold, whatever you are.
You got every recipe. Wow, that thing's sick.
So much power. Gets me all tingle. I've got a tingle, but I think it's my fingers freezing. Hot tub, sauna, even an ice bath if you want. I don't know why an ice bath, but you got it.
Party time. The mud puppy with the cauldron hot tub and the sauna and the ice bath has officially arrived, but we're gonna go ahead and get the mud puppy pulled off and then get it pulled over to where we're gonna be setting up. So it's time to go. This is the slowest vehicle I own. It's so low geared that even in 4th or 5th gear, whatever the highest gear is, it's still like 5 miles an hour tops. So it's not gonna be a fast run, but it'll go through anything. So far so good. Let's go get it set up.
Because why not bring a sauna, hot tub, and cold plunge on the back of a mud puppy, correct?
Yeah.
Why not?
Why not?
We've been working so hard to have this thing here. I'm excited to see all this working, see all the people enjoying it.
Dave outdid himself.
That is the most unreal sight I've ever seen, dude.
I think I got a level spot.
Did you bring the wind with you? Put it back.
Alternator doesn't charge on idle, so I have to rev it.
Esa mira, más o menos.
How about that? That dug a little bit.
Don't let go.
The water's actually clean.
Yeah. It's not to say the water's actually clean.
Filtered even.
Yeah.
We got everything flowing. It's just a little different up here in the mountains with the cold, trying to get the water temperature right. I think we got the flames where we need them. Had some gas leaks and different things that were keeping the flame from going full speed. So now we're just gonna keep on filling it up and make some progress. I'm gonna get the sauna going.
See the sauna. That's so freaking dope.
That's sick as it. This thing's gonna get hot.
Dude, this is gonna be
How
dope.
sick is that to stoke a fire when you're
This is so dope.
sauna? Yeah, dude. Plug dude built it for me.
Really?
Yeah.
So we're gonna heat that, heat this.
Yep. Yep, we'll get that. Once we get the flame and everything figured out over there.
This is the coolest sauna I think I've ever seen.
Yeah. Turn that knob right there.
How long does it take to heat
Oh,
up?
it's quick.
Where are
How
you
sick is
putting
that?
this?
Right here.
This is it.
Yeah. We got the
This is
two-person
cool.
commercial cold plunge.
On the other side.
Uh-huh. It's
Oh,
heated
I
and
didn't
cool.
see it. There's a bunch of people in there. Yeah, it's full.
Hey, climb,
This is so sick.
climb up here, man.
You can take it anywhere.
I love it. I love it. I love this man right here, Iram. I have this same moment like every few months. All my guys, seeing this whole thing come together is so rad. It's working great now. Had to get it all fine-tuned here, you know, when we first got here, but now all the fires are burning. The center fire pit, the lower propane burner, and the center burner, which is the water heater. And then we got our tiki torches rolling. We got the cold tub going. Sauna is hot. It's awesome. I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it.
Pelican